Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Ivy Jean Ines. I am 33 years old. I am single with a live-in partner and I have a daughter of 15 years old. I am high school graduate. I am an ex-abroad in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months, started on December 12, 2019 until February 25, 2022. And in Jordan for 3 years and 3 months, started October 8, 2022 until January 11, 2026. In both countries, my duties are taking care of the children, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, and doing household chores. To my future employer, I am willing to follow your rules and regulations. Thank you for watching my videos. Goodbye and God bless.